Hello guys, assalamualaikum. Our today's project is also interesting. Our today's project name is WEICHAI engine. WEICHAI marine diesel engine is a Chinese engine. I will show you this engine which horsepower 818 and RPM 1350. This is engine sea water pump and this is engine fresh water pump, which is coupling by rubber belt, coupling by engine rubber belt with flywheel, and this engine model name 8170 ZC8183. This is a marine diesel engine. This engine power 601 kilowatt and horsepower 818 and its weight 6000 kg. This engine 8-cylinder and counterclockwise. This is engine head. There is total 8-cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8-cylinder engine, and every cylinder has a high pressure connection. This is turbocharger exhaust line and inlet line. This is inlet line. This engine 2 turbocharger for good performance. This is intercooler, aftercooler of this engine. This is a high-speed 4-stroke engine, marine diesel engine. This is engine injector, high-pressure pipe. This high-pressure pipe comes from engine fuel pump, feed pump. This is engine fuel pump. Every cylinder head for every high pressure connection. This is engine fuel pump suction pipeline, comes from service tank, and this is oil filter, that's mean lube oil filter, and this is lube oil cooler. Lube oil cooler, here model name, part name, everything are available. Engine exhaust pipeline, exhaust manifold, inspection door, breathing line, this is engine starting switch and self It is a self-starting engine. This is exhaust temperature meter. And this is engine intercooler. So guys, thanks again for watching my video, and thank you to all. Assalamualaikum.